did you see, guys, that my window glass, it's freezing, so I had to wait and defrost. And right now it's 25 degree and it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning, so I gotta go work. And yeah, I had to wait a little bit so I can see when I'm driving. It's a little bit chilly. So it's gone because I cleaned it up with water. So see you guys later. Hi guys, Vlogmas Day 8. Hi guys, good afternoon. I just got home and I feel exhausted. I'm so tired today, but I'm glad it's Friday so I can take a break tomorrow and Sunday. So I'm thinking to go take a nap after I cutting my fingernails because it's bothering me, guys. I haven't cut this one in a long time. I got a headache, but I thinking I'm gonna finish my shift at work. I'm gonna show you. There's a bird. See that guy on that tree? I'm gonna focus. I don't know if you can see. There. That's a bird. Our tree at the backyard is pretty much no leaves, and I can see that bird over there. And I hope my soapy cat cannot find it because she like to climb on that tree, and I hope she don't hurt that bird. Yeah, it has a gray color, whereas the stomach side and the head there's a blue. I don't know what kind of bird is. Now I'm just gonna cut my fingernails because it's been bothering me. So after this, I thinking to go to bed. Take a nap for a couple minutes or maybe 30 minutes. I have a story, you guys. My husband don't like listening like the sounds when you're cutting your fingernails. This drives him nuts. He will telling you to get out in the room or go far away from him. I don't know, it's driving me crazy. My daughter have also a bad habit. She like biting her fingernails, and I don't like on that because there's a lot of germs. So just finished cutting my fingernails. See that, guys? Oh goodness. Oh, look at the bird. It's like it won't focus, but guys, but it's not really short because I don't want a short fingernails, and I don't like either the tall fingernails. It's so bother me. The bird is still there. It's really cold outside. This morning when I get out at work, it was 28 degree, 27 like that. So it's very cold. When I get out in the car, that was freezing. And some places they get snow, so I don't wish to get snow right now because the kids went to school and I work. Show your shoes. Oh, that's my shoes. Open
Give
up.
it to me.
It's already broken. Hi guys, good morning. So today is the December 9, Vlogmas 9. So yeah, my daughter is still in the bed. So downstairs I heard a TV on, so maybe my mother-in-law up. So yeah guys, so another day vlog mas. Yesterday I did not post a vlog mas, yes, yesterday because I have headache and I went to sleep early. Okay guys, I just finished cleaning the entire bathroom here and then the shower. It's not pretty much in here but yeah, I'm scrubbing here and also organize some stuff in the countertop, and also I organize some stuff in the bottom so I would not be open and scattered everywhere. And this is my daughter area. I organized too. It's not the best but at least I clean it up. That was dirty. And this is my side, and I have a lot of brushes and sponges for my makeup, and I need to clean that up. And also I have another toothbrush that I need to use later, and the old one I need to throw this away. Supposed to be change them every 3 months or whenever you feel like they're dirty. So, and this one guys, this is the good hair mask for my hair, but I'm not going to continue using on this hair mask because my husband and my daughter very sensitive when it comes a fragrance. So this one worked to my hair, but my family around with me is not gonna take it. The smell is very strong, so I probably thinking to give this to my friend or whoever who wants on this. I just used this twice, and this product influencer sent to me to try. So unfortunately I have to stop using because not only one person but two of them, they are allergic when smelling the fragrance. So I don't want them to get guys, I'm a little bit looks spooky. I put some mask on, then I'm also going to take a shower, then go into the store. I haven't used this one in a long time. I don't often using this kind of mask because I have a dry skin, so I mostly like use toward to sheets mask or paper mask because I don't want over dry my skin. I just get out from the shower and that air in there come out. It look like I feel like I have free blow dryer in there. So anyway, I'm trying to get ready. I just put moisturizer. It look like shiny, but I'm trying to get ready. So I wanted to go to the store today for a little bit shopping because I want to finish this weekend. So next weekend I'm going a Christmas party for 2 events. I really need a tripod for making videos, but you guys, I just put here in the box, not in the box, but the top of the box. I don't know if that's making any sense. Anyway, let me use this one now. There you go, a little bit better. I'm gonna get ready so I can go to the store. This one is driving me nuts. I'm just gonna put the one up in a minute.
Right on my face.
Ellen, that's not that's a marker, girl. You're gonna get trouble. It won't come off.
It won't?
Mm-hmm.
Did another marker?
Even that's all the marker in there, it won't gonna come off. What you gonna do?
Oh, where is this special?
Here. Girl.
Mustache.
Don't use the waterproof then, because if you get waterproof, you're gonna get trouble. Black?
Black, yes.
Here.
Thank you.
Go to the bathroom.
This smells bad.
Me?
No, this.
My daughter asking a marker if she can draw something on her face, but I told her not to use that because it's hard to take off the markers from your skin. So I gave her a what do you call it, one eyeliner, a black C. There's a waterproof for makeup remover. You're gonna use that one when you wanna take it off. So that's also easy for her to get up. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready so I can go to the store and come back. But I'm thinking to go eat first. Look at my daughter, what she doing. Her face look like your kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
Like Sophie, like this. Your mustache.